Hello all, hope you're doing well. So we've got another video here. It's more of a help video, or try to help video. So Justin Merrick, I believe I'm saying your name right, messaged me, or rather left me a comment on my one Bulldozer video. This is also a Bulldozer, just a lot bigger. This one's a 5x5, so 5-inch bore, 5-inch stroke, and probably right around 500-600 pounds. And I think this one's good for like 4,000 or 5,000 gallon an hour. Anywho, that's not the important part. He wanted to know how to take apart the bull gear, because he's found one. I don't know what size, but he's got a Bulldozer pump. Now this one is an R. McDougall. There was F.E. Myers, Beatty made them, Atlas made them, Gould made them. I've seen some tagged Monarch. Basically, they're all the same damn pump. And I would almost guarantee pieces are completely interchangeable as long as you have the right size. So like I mentioned, this guy's a 5x5. But basically what Justin's question is how to disassemble the back end. Yeah, just quick. It's a roughly 9-inch long 4x4, so you get the idea how big that thing is. Okay, so back here, got the bull gear. Focus. So, easiest thing to do, Justin, get your flywheel off, or your pulley. Now these guys here on the side, every single pump I've seen, it's all the same. You've got one here and your one here. Those are your bearings. Basically pop them out. Disassemble your eccentric. There may be shims, some of them have it, some of them don't. And I can't remember on my little one. I don't think I had to take it apart. Basically, I think you just pop these guys out, pop this off, and it should just kind of slide over and out, if that makes sense at all. Now there should be safety wire through there, tamper-proof wire. Somebody's clearly been in here long before me. You may also have to take that grub screw out, or at least loosen it off. I'm not 100% sure. Like I say, mine I didn't, and it just kind of all came out. Don't know really what else to tell you. That's kind of basically it. They're not super difficult, but so that should be basically, as far as I know. Like I say, pop those guys off, disassemble your eccentric, or your piston in this case. One there, one down there, and yeah, give it a shot. I need to get this guy done because I want to take it to shows, but it needs a cart all by itself because, like I say, it's so big. I see, I don't really know what else to show you, so kind of see here that mine is loose, so as far as I know, this basically can come out with the bull gear. Otherwise, it's just those three, and then this piece comes off, and that's what holds your eccentric on, because it's bolted right to the bull gear. So hopefully that helps, and hopefully I'm making sense, because it makes sense to me what I'm saying, but it doesn't always make sense to other people. So pop your bearing supports out, disassemble the eccentric, Might be easier to get your pulley out of the way, and that's basically it. You said it was quite rusty, so I would get something decent, like I'm not sure where you are, so Croyle Deep Creep by Seafoam, or just fill the whole thing with Evapo-Rust and let it sit for a while. Yeah. So that really should be it. It shouldn't be too difficult. And if you feel like it, it would be cool to see a video on yours or something to that effect. Yeah, so like I say, hopefully this helps you. If not, if you go back to the giveaway video, my email's on there. Shoot me an email and I can try and help you out from there. Alright guys. Yep, guess we'll talk to you in the next one. Oh. There's a free hood, whoever wants it. 185 Hydrostat, or Hydro John Deere. It's got a few scratches. I've had it for too long because I tried to sell it. It's free. Somebody come take it. Okay, that's it. Don't know if I showed the tag. Okay. That's it, guys. We'll talk to you in the next one.